Hi everyone, this is day 4 of the 14-day Signature Edge Challenge. So today's prompt is about what gives you an edge on your topic through experience, study or obsession. So for me, I think one of the biggest strengths is that I've spent years experimenting with coloured pencils, surfaces, layering techniques and realism, especially when it comes to drawing animals. So I'm constantly testing things. I'm testing different papers, pencils, blending methods, different ways of building fur, feathers, eyes and texture. And because I've gone through all that trial and error myself, I think I'm very good at simplifying realism for beginners. I understand the parts that feel overwhelming because I've experienced that frustration too. I also think being neurodivergent has shaped the way I teach. I naturally break things down into smaller, more manageable steps because that's how I learn best myself. So instead of teaching in a way that feels intimidating or overly complicated, I try to make realism feel calm, achievable and supportive. I want people to feel like they don't have to be naturally gifted to improve. They just need guidance, practice and encouragement. And honestly, I think my obsession with learning and experimenting is a huge part of what helps me teach the way I do.